Being able to communicate effectively is perhaps the most important of all life skills. In today's day and age, this plays a major role, whether you are a manager, a freelancer, or a business owner. It's obvious to understand that leaders with great communication skills are more productive and can manage teams with ease. And if you're someone who wants to learn about the benefits of effective communication, then make sure that you watch the video till the end. But before getting started, make sure that you hit the like button because that motivates me to make more amazing videos like this. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because that will help you get the notification every time I upload an amazing video. So let's get started. Effective communication need not be only broadcasting information and knowledge all the time, because a very essential part about this is listening properly. When you understand that what other person or the team is understanding and what they are interpreting of your message, and based on that, if you can change your way of talking or your strategy, that will help you to convey the message properly and then reach out to more people in the right direction. So it's very important that you learn the art of communication, because that will take you to the height wherein you can manage a large number of people and still you won't have a problem. So let's have a look at the 5 of the greatest benefits of effective communication. Number 1, trust building. When you talk to someone, when you communicate a message or information that you really want them to move ahead in their life, at that point of time, the trust gets built, because they now can understand you, your message, and your intention. When all these things are clear, trust will happen. And this trust goes a long way. And it did not be only in the personal circle, it can also be in the professional world when you are working with a team or dealing with your clients. Remember this, that what we say, how we say, and the way we listen to the person in front can actually make or break the factor of trust. Trust is very valuable. I'm sure that you have heard this, that it takes decades to build trust and minutes to destroy it. And this is so true. And it takes minutes to destroy it because of your ability not to communicate effectively, and most importantly, your intention behind the communication. The right intention will take you the right results when communicated properly. So let's get to the second benefit, that is, it creates better relationships. See, when you understand the person who is in front of you, maybe he or she is in a problem or trouble and is seeking out solution, and if you can be the person who can communicate the right knowledge, the right information, or extend the hand, that itself is a sign that you want to help the person and improve. These kind of communication, whether it's verbal or non-verbal, can help the person understand that you are for the person's help and you genuinely want them to improve. At that point of time, you create great bonds and it transforms into amazing relationships, not just in the professional but also in the personal life. It can range from your friends, family members, colleagues, and at the same time when you're dealing with organizations and you're doing with B2B, business to business clients as well. At that point of time also, you have great relationships. And these relationships can actually go a long way and benefit you and your organization in a huge way. Because relationships, when communicated properly over a long period of time, can actually build a strong base, a strong foundation. And the third thing is clarity and direction. Think about it. If you know what you want to do, if you have your goals set, then if you can communicate that to the people around you, to your audience, to your managers, to the people who are actually working for you, then it will be easy for them in order to take that and work and plan accordingly. However, if you're not able to do so, then the clarity won't be there and direction would go haywire. This can lead to personal and professional loss at the same time, just because you are not able to communicate your thought and your message clearly. Right? So let's go to the fourth point, and that is preventing problems. It's not just preventing problems, but also whenever you have a problem, it can solve the problem as well. See, if there's a problem that has happened because of miscommunication, the simple reason is you're not able to communicate that effectively the way you should have, and that's the reason why the scenario has taken place. But now if you can take a stand, now if you can communicate things clearly with the right intention, then you can actually solve the problem. And sometimes when you see these things happening, you will get an indication for that, and because of which you can even prevent it from happening. That will save a lot of time, energy for you and for the team or for the person with whom you are interacting with. Communication has a lot of benefits. If you can master this one skill, it can take you a long way, because then you will be a person who can socialize well, understand people, and based on which you can master that. Do understand, human beings are social animals, and if we can master this one skill, then we can actually help so many people grow, and at the same time you will grow as well, right? So if you're watching the video till now, then let me know in the comment section that what exact video you want me to make in the field of communication. I'll take a note of that and I will create a video for you. So make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Pritam Bhadra 06, where I engage with my followers every single day and help them improve. And I'll see you in the next video.